Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. I appreciate you for tuning in to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Happy 2026, we finally made it to the new year, and I'm so glad we did. I was so ready to get out of 2025. Now, I moved into a new house recently, and we're finally getting things settled. The bag room is really coming along. Y'all let me know what you think about my bag room. I'm loving it so far. But I have several things that I've had boxed up over the last month or so that I haven't been able to unbox because I haven't really had room or a setup to do it. So now that I have everything kind of settled, we're gonna unbox a few random things here that I have that's been sitting around and been in storage. So before I show you those though, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, go ahead while you're here and hit that subscribe button so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, discount codes and shopping links as well, so definitely check those out. Y'all, before I unbox these items, I'd like to share with y'all a couple of my favorite YouTubers that I watch all the time. Some of them I became friends with, some of them I've never met or spoken to, but I just enjoy them immensely. So I'd like to share them with you, and I'm gonna post links to their channel underneath the description of this video, so definitely check their videos out and subscribe to their channel as well.
All right, y'all, first up, this is my friend Jane from James Jam, and I just love her videos. She has such a variety of different bags, and I love to listen to her and her husband joke around. It's a real fun channel, so y'all definitely subscribe to her channel. Next up is my friend Ed Braun from his channel, Ed Braun. And y'all, I love Ed. He's such a sweet guy, and he has such a sense of style as well. Has some really cool bags as well, so y'all definitely check out his channel. Y'all, next up is my friend Winnie B from Winnie B LV. Mouth of the South, no intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Winnie has all type of bags and all types of videos. She shares a lot of stuff and she has videos very regularly, so definitely check out Winnie B LV. Next up is David from David's Closet. I love watching David's videos because he's so funny and he has such a variety of videos. He loves Prada and he also has cats like I do, so I love to watch his channel. Y'all definitely check out David's Closet. Up next is my friend Jean from Totes Jean. Jean has a really great sense of style, and Jean does a great job of describing the bags and showing them off. Y'all definitely check out Totes Jean. Listen, y'all, I definitely couldn't end without Rakita's Closet. Rakita is so funny. She has such a great sense of style, and she has a great handbag collection with some really pretty Louis Vuitton bags in it. So y'all definitely check out Rakita's Closet.
And y'all, you might have noticed I'm trying to do at least one video per day through January for a 30-day challenge. It may be a short, it may be a longer video, but y'all definitely check out my shorts and my videos all month long because I'm doing one a day. Please give me a like and hype my videos as well. Hype is a new feature that YouTube has come out with, and you have to go on the app to use it. You can't do it on your desktop, so go on your phone, on your app, and swipe on the comment section of a video, and there's a hype button, so hype my video for me. All right, y'all, with all that out of the way, let's unbox these items so we can see what I've got here. So the first one I've got here is in a brown box here, so you can only imagine what it is. This is gonna be a Coach item, and I have had this for a while. It's been opened and I've looked at it, but I wanted to share it with y'all. Coach, this is what happened when they delivered it. I don't remember if it was FedEx, but probably so. So it had a big hole in it and you could see through it, but let's unbox it here. All right, and you can see what it is there. But you see the big hole in the box there. That's just how it came, so appreciate that, FedEx. But it does have the wrapping on the inside there. Let me open it up here and guess what I got. All right, it's got the Coach card in it there, the thank you card. Let's get into it here. And it's wrapped up in styrofoam and they're wrapping here. This was a splurge for me, but I just had to have it when it came back out, and I'm so glad I did. It's huge. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to wear it on a bag, but it's the giant Rexy Charm, and it is so cute. It's in this black colored leather, and there he is. Big, big Rexy Charm. I don't know, I've seen these and I just had to have one, but they just came out. I think they're probably sold out now, but they were on the website and I just had to get one just to put on my bag. So he's gonna look really, really nice on my bags, and I've been waiting to use him, so had to unbox him for y'all and share it, but he's really nice, made out of leather. And of course, he's got your Coach insignia and everything on the hardware and all in that beautiful gold hardware. And the Rexy is made out of leather. So really, really nice. And it's like a little skeleton of a Rexy, little dinosaur Rexy. But he is huge, as you can see next to my head here. He's about the size of my head. So super cute, and I can't wait to put him on some bags. So I'm definitely gonna use him to style some of my bags on my channel, definitely in my shorts. So y'all keep up with those and you'll be able to see the Rexy in some photos and some short videos as well, styled with some of my bags. So he's really nice, and that was my first one here that we unboxed. So I'm gonna put him to the side and we'll get on to our next little find. But I just love him, even though he's huge. But yeah, he might be on a shelf later if I can't style him with the bags, but I'm definitely gonna keep him as definitely a collector's piece for me. All right, so let's move on to the next item here, okay? All right, y'all, so the next item here is another Coach item, and it came in plastic like this here. Let me open it up for you. I've had this for quite a while too, and it's just been sitting, and I wanted to unwrap it for everybody. I collect these, so if anybody ever wants to get me a gift, this is one thing you can get me, and it is the little luggage tags that Coach sells. This one is the really cute one with the martini glass and the penguin. I just thought it was adorable, and I have several of these luggage tags, but I just love them. And they're really good to put on your bags, and you can style your bags with them, but it's really cute. This one has the Coach logo and everything on it, and the little penguin with the martini glass, so cute, in that black leather. All right, so that is my second little find there. All right, and I'm so glad to unbox these things so I can finally use them. All right, y'all, let's get on to the main thing of this video. This is gonna be a bag. This is a Coach bag as well, so this is an entire Coach video. But this Coach bag is not a newer Coach bag. It's one that I found on Poshmark. So if you ever shop on Poshmark, you can find some really great stuff and some really great deals as well. So let me show you what I got. All right, y'all, and I've been sitting on this one for a while now, so I'm so happy to be able to open it up and share with y'all and be able to use this one. So I love stuff like this, and when I saw this one, I was like, I've got to get it. It's me completely. All right, so here it is. This is the City Tote. Let me get this box out of the way here. All right, y'all, so here it is. This is the City Tote, and it's in that graffiti that came out a few years ago, and I just saw it. I was like, I gotta have it. There's quite a few pieces that come in this, and I forget the collaboration that it's with. I'll let you know in a minute because I'll be able to look at the tag and tell you, but I just saw the graffiti and I was like, this is definitely my style, so I had to get it, and I got a steal on this bag. I don't remember exactly what it was, but less than $200. I know these are like $150, but I think the ones with the special ones are a little bit more, but I got a really great deal on it, and I don't remember the price, but it might have been $100, but you can get some really great deals on Poshmark. So I was really happy to find this one, and let me just show it to you real quick. I'm gonna take the stuffing out. Whoever had this bag obviously just didn't use it, I guess, but because it's completely in really great shape. I don't see any markings or wear on it at all. It has your luggage tag on it, the hang tag. Let me get my glasses so I can actually read to you what this is. So yeah, so this is the Mint and Serf collaboration that came out a few years ago, and they had several bags. They even had a Rogue that was beautiful with the Mint and Serf. So there is the hang tag there, and you can see the Mint and Serf on it. And like I said, this bag has no wear on it whatsoever. The corners on it are super, super intact. There is no wear at all on any of the corners. And the inside of this bag, I mean, it just looks like whoever had it just probably put it on a shelf and never used it. So there is the interior of it. Look at that, completely unused. All right, and then of course, like your City Totes always have the little pocket on the inside there, and there's your journey tag and your zipper pull with your leather zipper pull. So really nice little zipper, and you get a little pocket in there. There's the pocket, but I don't know, I just love these City Totes. They're just good to carry everything in. You can just throw everything in them, and I love, love, love this graffiti print. So I was so glad to pick this up for a steal from Poshmark. All right, y'all, let's see what the Rexy looks like on this bag. The chain is silver, but we're gonna see, you know, just how big this Rexy is on a bag here. So there is the Rexy on my tote. He's beautiful and he's big. But I do love this bag. I'm so happy I got it, and I'm so glad that I was able to finally open it, and I'll be able to use it now and put it in my collection. So that is my video for today, y'all, and I've got some really great finds here. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing them with you and showing them off. I do appreciate y'all for watching my video again, and thanks so much. And like I said, Happy New Year, Happy 2026. So glad to be back. And y'all don't forget to watch daily through the month of January, since I'm doing the 30-day challenge, and I'm gonna have at least one video per day. If you can't find a longer video, I'm probably doing a short that day, so definitely check those out. I'm also posting them to Instagram and my TikTok channel too. So y'all go ahead, follow me and subscribe on all those channels. Don't forget to comment on this video as well. I do appreciate that. And if you'll give me a big thumbs up, it really helps. And don't forget to hype my video as well in the comment section on the app. I appreciate that. And y'all, I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.